Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and basically, like in camera on this device, you only have two different resolutions. You have just like normal resolution, which you can access in normal photo mode, and you also have this high resolution 50 megapixels, which you can access by going here to more, select high resolution, and that's how you can switch it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.